Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the PIN for your Signal account. Now let us begin. Do you note that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not done that, we'll do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see your profile picture. Click on it right now. And once you guys do that, you will be redirected to this page. And as you guys can see, there are multiple options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as account. Click on it. And as such, you will be redirected to this page. Well, you note that from here, you can simply delete your account as well. But right now, we're not going to focus on that. At the very top, just below Signal PIN, you can see something called as change your PIN. Click on it right now. Now what you guys need to do is simply enter your PIN. I'm gonna enter it right now. It's okay with me, so I'm simply gonna click on next. Once again, it's gonna ask me to confirm it. I'm simply gonna enter it right now. Once again, I'm gonna hit on next. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, my PIN is being created. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change your Signal PIN. The process is quite easy. Simply click on this change your PIN button and just follow along the prompts. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.